has to hear.
See you all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. Can't have any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here okey-dokey?
I guess you'll be, but who's going to do all the paperwork?
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Oh, not bad. All right, well, I guess you guys are going into the Let's go into the cartoon again.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Hiya, folks. Hello there. How you doing?
Hey, Mick and Mia. The park's fairly late. What could possibly go wrong? nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I knew somehow that we would finally make it. We had one crazy round. Now with you by my side, the stars will be our guide. Nothing can stop us
Gosh, what's this lever do? Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit the train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long!
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. You having a good time?